Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here. Glad to have you with us. Beautiful, beautiful Tuesday. We have a process here to keep water spots from ever coming up on your glass again. You can use it on your mirrors as well, your windshield, your moonroof, all that stuff. All you have to do is this, and you can literally use that much of this on all the glass because it doesn't take much. What I do is I put a little bit here and a little bit there. Fastest process you'll ever see in your entire life. It'll also make your power windows go up and down a lot easier, saving stress on your power motors. That one's done. I'm actually going to do 2 cars. You just rub it on like that. Let it dry to a haze. Do this once a year. I'm going to do these pillars right here because they're nice shiny black. You can do it on those as well if you want to keep water spots off your plastic. Again, you won't have water spots. Let's go do the next car. Now with this, the less you put on, the better, because it's just that much easier to take off. Literally, you could do both cars, all the glass on both cars in 10 minutes. Let it dry 15-20 minutes. That's not included in the timeline. And again, you can do your mirrors, moonroof, all that. This stuff is amazing. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson Thompson. All right, we'll see you in about 10 minutes. All right, it's been about 10 minutes now. Of course, you would clean your glass if it's dirty before you do this. And then you just take your really good microfiber and just do this. Look how easy that comes off. Once a year, instead of most people dealing with water spots and how to get them off after they're already on, why not prevent them? And if you have water spots and you want to get them off, comment to us, folks, and we will send you the appropriate video to do that. No more water spots there. And I did the windshield too, but we'll go over and do the other car that I did prior. Comes right off. So easy. And I did the plastic here. There'll be no more water spots on that. And you can do the inside of your glass as well. And that helps on speed of your windows. And if you have tinted windows on the inside, aftermarket, and you use this stuff that we just used here, it'll keep your tinting from being scratched, from dirt getting in the felt. Beautiful. Just flip your cloth. And again, use this stuff sparingly. 1 tub of this should last you years. No more water spots ever again. And as we always say, don't be a schmuckle, and Sweet Project Cars out!